1, go.
Alright.
So we found a second shed that was, I think...
It's like right behind there.
Yeah, it's right behind there. And it was next to the one that we checked out earlier, which our videos will be on our pages. Check out Get the Kid with a smiley face.
No, it's Gideon 5 something.
579, I think. I don't know. I'll check it out.
I don't know my own channel.
Alright. So if you want to see his point of view, check out his channel.
Yeah, both point of views.
Hey. And if you're watching it on his, check out my point of view. He'll put my name in the description.
Is there?
Alright, let's just hope no one fucking finds us. Let's hope.
Oh, let's hope.
Worker truck's still all the way down there.
Yeah, it is.
That's not good. It's not good.
But I don't think he knows we're up here, so that's fine.
I mean, whatever. It's fucking whatever. Alright. Oh, damn. Oh, that guy just shot a 3.
Give me on double rims, too. On double rims.
Dude, Bo, the Lakers need a center.
I don't think he heard you.
Nah, dude. I'm gonna just scream, Lakers need a center.
Boy, you cannot sleep. The Lakers need a center.
Boy, you cannot be sick because the Lakers need a center.
Alright, we should just go straight to the road. If we go straight to the road, it will be quicker.
Yeah, straight to the road. Yeah. Good thing we found out about that thing.
Yeah. I mean, it was kind of difficult to, or difficult not to, because it was right next to the barn. Whoa, hold on, there's a fucking abandoned car.
Yo, we didn't see that shit last time.
It's next to the house. We're like really close to the house.
We did not see that shit last time.
Because we weren't this close to the house.
Oh, wait, that's
We're really close to the house.
Oh, wait. Oh, no. We never even saw that last time, did we?
We did. The house?
No, the car.
Yes, that's what we were just saying.
Did they move it here?
No, this is abandoned. We just didn't see it.
Yeah, I think we just fucking died.
We are.
That's not the house.
Hold on. Be quiet. From this moment on, we are silent. Not quiet. Silent. I'm opening it.
There's shit back here.
There's shit?
Stuff.
Yo.
There's stuff.
Don't open it too much as a rag. We don't want that to fall and make it dark. Oh.
What the fuck is that? Yo, keep that shit.
Yo. Wait, hold on, it's rusty. There's another one.
Dude, what's in here?
This one's rusty too.
No, just keep one. Just keep one.
Should we though?
Yeah.
I feel like we'd get find out.
No. I don't think they've touched this thing in years.
You can keep it. A smashed out window right there, or a windscreen. Yo, that's sick.
No,
This car hasn't been touched in forever. Holy shit. Yeah, we can't open the door all the way. The springs are exposed. I'm gonna see if the other door's open. Yeah, I see that. That was right up there. Yeah, the other door doesn't open.
Yeah, I hope they don't have cameras.
You need a key.
Yo, let's see if there's
A shit ton of bugs.
I want to see if there's anything in the trunk.
We already checked the trunk. We already checked the trunk.
No, that's the front. That's the back.
That's the trunk. Idiot. Talking about the
I don't think you
hood.
can open it. Yeah, you can't open it. Let's just go back. This one.
Yeah, we can't really pop the hood.
Yeah, I don't see a car up there, so it should be good.
Yeah, but there might be cameras.
You got a fucking hood.
Yes, sir. Could get you another one. There was two.
Yeah, there was two. We could get you one.
I don't really want one though.
We should be good. Alright. Yeah, that was
That's a really old car.
Yeah, that's a Chevy. Yo, this shit could sell for money though.
Yeah. You gotta get rid of the rust though.
Yeah. Yo.
Don't step on sticks, bitch. The door's on the other side. Yeah, I know. It's on the opposite side. Bro, that's a fucking train. Yeah.
You sure you want to go in there? Nah, don't go in. Unstable floor. No. Rule 2 of urban exploring, don't...
There's an old chair. That's an old TV. There's a TV right there.
Oh, damn. Oh, it is.
A bunch of old
I'm gonna
pots.
see if I can get in the train.
Yeah, the door's right there, you idiot. It's the front of the train. It's the front of the train. Fuck. There's not much room in there. Yo.
Dude, this shit is insane.
This is sick.
This is the conductor.
I know. This is where he sits. This chair right here.
And there's a lot of spiders and shit in here. Let's look.
Come on, dude. That made a shit ton of noise. What? Oh, what the fuck? There's another one. Liam. This is the riskiest shit ever. Yo, it's collapsed. Nah, it's distorted. The wheel's distorted. Yo. There's a wheelchair. There's a photo of a wheelchair. It's all like lifted up and shit. It's not stable. We go on the other side. There's an opening on the other side. No, there's nothing held. Yo, there's a barrel. There's a barrel. And batteries. And a huge barrel. What the fuck is this? What is this place, bro? No way. There's a bunch of barrels back here, dude. A bunch of buckets.
I don't think it's safe going in the buckets. Could be something toxic.
What the?
I don't feel safe back here.
Alright, come on.
Yeah, it's so toxic.
Let's go. Let's get out. Let's get out of here.
You got to take care of
Shoot. I heard something move, bro. When we were getting out of there, I heard something crack. There was some shit back there, bro. Oh no. Bro, there was something back there. I don't know what, but there was something.
Actually, we're exploring.
That is the biggest. Is that another abandoned car?
You wanna go check that?
Yeah, we can.
Actually, yeah.
Yeah. There's a tire. There's some. There's a hose. There's like an animal pen. It's a Ford. Nah, the handle's gone. The handle's rusted away.
You need a fucking handle. I don't even think you can open that shit.
Yeah, no. Don't want to get.
Fucking tighten.
Yeah.
Yo, bottle.
Yo.
Yo. I don't think you'd be able to open it. It's rusted. These people do drugs or some shit.
What the fuck?
I don't feel safe anymore. No, dude, this shit is sketchy as hell.
I'm gonna check the other side. I'm gonna check the other side.
Let me check this side.
Bro. Oh my god. There's a Lego. I found a Lego. Okay. They're not on the road. They're back behind. They're in the park.
They were on the road.
What?
They were on that
No, they
road.
were in the park. I'm sure I saw the car. I saw the car. I'm 100% there. Come on.
There's a tire.
Other side.
There's a tire in the back.
I don't know if I can open this door and even get to it. We got it, boy. Holy shit. This is like a sick Ford, bro.
I know.
This car is sick, dude.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Let's get out before we get caught. That's sick, dude.
2 abandoned cars, 1 abandoned train, and a shed. 2 sheds.
2 sheds. Or one collapsed shed.
Yeah. 1.5 sheds.
And this is all right next to the barn.
Yeah, this is all right next to the barn. We were just that too. Oh, the path leads somewhere else.
Nah, it leads to the road. That for sure leads to the road.
I'm gonna check it out.
I'm not getting in trouble
My
though.
grandparents were probably looking for us.
We should go back then.
Quick.
Alright, come on. Nah, it leads to the road. It leads to the road. We gotta get back quick. We're gonna get in trouble. Yeah. Peace.